Good evening. I want to quickly make a statement. Unlike the rest comedians, they come here, they shout, sweat their time just to make you laugh. I don't do that. Yeah, I don't shout. This is the highest I can go. If you cannot hear me like this, you are free to leave the hall. Yeah, when I'm done, you can come back. No, serious now. Why I go kill myself? If you cannot hear me like this, you are broke. Yes, if you can hear me, you are doing well in life. And like this, ROMD tell they talk to us now. We not go hear anything. Yes, sir. So yes, sir, they talk. The country, everything don't change now. Since Buhari enter, we last when I see Jehovah Witness. No, Shebi, no. Shebi Jehovah Witness. When those people, when they watch Emmanuel TV, when last when I see TB Joshua, demon not there to cast again. Everybody lock up. Rhapsody of reality lost. Now we dey face reality. The thing, everything just they go backward and people still they kill themselves. Hey, I say this anywhere. Bros, listen, this joke will favor you. Listen to it. I do this in seminars, like people pay for this, but I'm giving you for free. Yeah, people pay to listen to this. So listen attentively. There are 3 things that can kill you in Lagos. Just 3 things. Number 1 is Bet Niger. Yeah, if you are here, you do over 2, over 3, you are very close to the grave. 2 up, 2 down, go, you are going nowhere. If Bet Niger can kill you, Baba Ijebu will bury you. You dey carry too sure that you are not sure of. From here, direct go Enugu. Before the game reach Jakonde, it don't cut. No, on our way, they table. I no go understand this Baba Ijebu joke. But you see those people for regular. I'm sharing someone's testimony. I'm very sure. I'll quickly do this and I go. There's this saying that back in the days, their music, they sweet past our song. Their music makes sense past this era song. Now lie. I don't agree with that because I watch old school song. They join people when cause the wahala when we did so. Downfall driver go your day studio. You're the shot. Shebi you be downfall driver. So both president, bankers, everybody go agree. I am a downfall driver. So we they move back. You will be banker. You agree say be downfall driver. Till today, nobody don't ask Victor Waifu. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, in case you don't know, the Chibok girls just stepped into the building all the way from Sambisa Forest. They came to support FunnyBone. They came to support FunnyBone. If you are very conversant with your news, like if they listen to news where you'll see say Techno and Downfall Driver be get quarrel. Why? They thought say Techno carry their song Jogodo Abi. So Techno can't find something for them. Both the driver and the conductor of the Downfall. Techno find something for them now. For Ajegule now they be king. With the Ajegule artists now they find out who sing their song now. Anybody when sing their song, they go come meet and may give them money. Not be the one way Ekwe go come tomorrow. Trust say that guy will sing Eku na his song. We no agree. We no go agree. Nothing go make us agree. The joke not even day again. Lastly, I beg. If you look at me, you know I'm very young. Yes. If you don't really have anything, just give me scholarship. Man, stop this work. I don't like them. Serious. Not be the one I'll start at this age. Come mumu till I die. I don't like it. I don't like it. And parents, let me give you this advice. Parents, mind the kind of name you give to your children. Name matter, I beg. Mind the kind name when they give children. One woman come church on Sunday now, come tell pastor, say, I picking the sock too much. Say the guy, they 16 years now, still they sock. Pastor come ask the woman, say, so what is his name? Let's pray for him. Say the boy name na Bobby. You give person Bobby when not suck. Government, they complain, say, Ashawo to full Lekki, Ashawo to full Lekki. What do you take of a place that is named Lekki Peninsula? There must be enough pennies in. Come on. Say, Igbo girls, they like, Yoruba girls, they like Igbo boys. Yoruba girls, they like Igbo boys. Why they not go like them? When they name person Okocha, Okosisi, if you want kid the girl, you just tell her say your name na DK or Dikocha. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time.
Hi, if you like this video, it's simple. Subscribe to the FunnyBone comedy channel by clicking on the red button to subscribe and the bell button beside it for notifications. And trust me, it will watch your time and energy. FunnyBone says so. Laughter all the way. Stick around.